indefinite integration in physics. जैसे आपने डिफरेंशिएशन सीखा था, डिफरेंशिएशन इज वन मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर. सिमिलरली इंटीग्रेशन इज वन मोर मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर. Symbol of integration is this, or we call it like this. This is integration. It is S, pulled S, dt. This is called integration symbol. This is called integration with respect to x. और जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड वेरिएबल. लाइक एडिशन हैविंग सिंबल प्लस, सब्ट्रैक्शन माइनस, डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, you call it dy dx. Now we are learning indefinite integration. Point number 1 is symbol. Symbol of integration is this, integration with respect to x. So when you say integration with respect to x, then x becomes variable. Variable means something which is changing. Similarly for dt, this is integration with respect to t. So here t is variable. Like in differentiation, other than variable called constant. Step number 3, formula of integration. Integration of x raised power n dx. Precisely speaking, it is called like this, integration of x raised to the power n dx. That is called with respect to x. Normally हम इसको ऐसा बोलते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन x की पावर n का बताइए. What is the integration of x power n? So precisely integration of x raised power n with respect to x. This is called x raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. The c called constant of integration, जिसके बारे में आगे डिटेल आएगा अगले लेक्चर में भी और आज भी काफी. This is n, इसको देखें, this is question. This is our question. What is the integration of x की power n? Then the answer is, this is answer. Answer is x raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Focus on this power n. For example, if I say n is equal to 0, so put 0 here. Then the question is x raised power 0 dx. Now for answer, put 0 in place of n. 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. Anything raised power 0 is 1. So this is called integration with respect to x, or integration of dx. This is x plus c. Now onwards, remember this formula. Integration of dx is x. Similarly, you may remember integration of dt is t plus c. Integration of dw is w plus c. This is very important formula. You may call it step number 4 also. Like integration of x raised power n dx is this. Similarly, we can write this also. Integration of t raised power n dt. It will be t raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. You can change whole variable. जैसे x की पावर n का इंटीग्रेशन x की पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 प्लस c है. सिमिलरली आप x की जगह t लिख दें. x वेरिएबल था, अभी t वेरिएबल ले लें, तो t की पावर n का इंटीग्रेशन t रेज पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1. सिमिलरली dx का इंटीग्रेशन x है तो dt हैविंग इंटीग्रेशन t, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dw w. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now see, this is our main formula, x raised power n dx. Integration is x raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now see step number 5. If we put n is equal to 1. Now put 1 here, here and here. So you will see x raised power 1 dx 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus c. So this is called x dx. This will be x square by 2. So remember, integration of x dx is x square by 2. Similarly, you can say integration of t by t dt. It will be t square by 2. Similarly, integration of v dv, v square by 2. Just remember, here x is variable, here t is variable, here velocity is variable. You know, this is most important point. What is variable? Since variable is the physical quantity which is changing, so we need to see in physics what is variable. Accordingly, we follow. Breathe in again. Now similarly you can do so many, like see this, integration of root x minus 1 by root x dx. Now in this numerical we will see how to open the bracket as well as how to integrate. Like you open the bracket in differentiation and normally, similarly open this bracket. It is like this, integration of root x into dx minus integration of 1 by root x into dx. Now how to write root x? X raised power 1 by 2, and how to write 1 by root x? You know, root x is x raised power 1 by 2, take it in the numerator, x raised power minus 1 by 2. So it can be written as x raised power minus 1 by 2. Now see the formula. This formula. X raised power n. Now power is 1 by 2. So this is question. So what will be the answer? This is the answer. Write 1 by 2 in place of n. X raised power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c1. One constant minus. Now see, in place of n it is minus 1 by 2. So x raised power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus another constant c2. Finally we put one constant c. Either c1 minus c2, c1 plus c2, one constant is put. Now you can solve it. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Okay, I solve it. It is most important question, so I am solving it. X raised power 3 by 2 and it is 3 by 2 minus x raised power 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and it is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it can be written as 2 by 3 and it is twice of x raised power 1 by 2. Now focus 100%. X multiplied by x raised power 1 by 2. How will you write it? You know, when bases are same, then powers are added up. What are the powers? X raised power 1, x raised power 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. X raised power 3 by 2. Focus on this. Breathe in. When you focus on this, you will see x into x raised power 1 by 2 is this, x raised power 3 by 2. So have the reverse. It can be written as like this. X raised power 3 by 2 can be written as x multiplied by x raised power 1 by 2. Now follow the sequence. 2 by 3 minus 2x raised power 1 by 2. Now you can take it outside. Take common. This as well as this 2. So 2x raised power 1 by 2 into x by 3 minus 2. Isn't it? Okay, 2 is taken outside, minus 1. Okay. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Right. Now, next point. Integration is reverse of differentiation. You know, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of e raised power x remains e raised power x. Differentiation of log to the base e natural log x. This is 1 by x. You know, integration is reverse of differentiation. It means if we integrate cos x, we will be having answer as sin x. See, integration of cos x will be sin x. We put some constant in indefinite integration. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So integration of minus sin x will be cos x. Now you may shift this minus sign on the other side. So integration of sin x called minus cos x plus c. See, minus sign you can write on the either side. Differentiation of e raised power x is e raised power x. So integration of e raised power x will be this. Same, e raised power x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So integration, this is very, very special. Integration of 1 by x will be log x. That is called natural log. We write it like this also, ln x. And it can be written as dx upon x. Remember, this is, powers are not valid in this formula. This is the formula for log x. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now we see why this constant is put. Differentiation of x square is 2x. You know this? Differentiation of x square plus 5 should be, open this bracket, differentiation of x square plus differentiation of 5. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 5 is constant. Differentiation of constant will be 0. You must know differentiation before doing this integration. These are complementary. Reverse of differentiation is integration, like multiply, divide. Are you getting it? Breathe in slowly and gradually. Dy dx of x square plus c. Again open the bracket. Differentiation of x square plus differentiation of c. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Constant का differentiation will be 0. It will be 2x. Breathe in. अभी आपने सीखा integration is reverse of differentiation. See, differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x square plus 5 is again 2x. Differentiation of x square plus c is again 2x. Now the rule is integration is reverse of differentiation. That shows if we integrate 2x, we will be having answer x square. भाई x square का differentiation 2x है, तो 2x का integration x square आना चाहिए. Similarly, x square plus 5 का differentiation 2x है, तो integration of 2x should give x square plus 5. Likewise, differentiation of this is equal to 2x. So again, integration of 2x will be this. Okay, wait, breathe in. We integrate this 2x. Integrate 2x. Constant things. This x is variable. Other than x, it is constant. Constant can be taken out of integration and differentiation sign. Now apply the formula. Now what is the formula? You know x dx having integration x square by 2 plus some constant c. So its answer will be x square plus c. This is called indefinite integration. Indefinite means we don't know the value of c. We will have to put c, then we will have to find this c, then finally, okay, place c. Okay, we should write c while doing this indefinite integration. Then we will have to find c. Now we will have to put the value of c finally. Then that numerical called solved. Otherwise that will be wrong. In indefinite integrations, I repeat, we are not confirmed about c. In numericals of integration I will teach. First of all, we should write c, then we will be finding c in those numericals, then we will be putting finally. Now here, इस समय क्या सीखना है? इस समय ये सीखना है in indefinite integration we are not confirmed. So हमें हमेशा एक c लिखना है और वो c को फिर हमें find करना है. और find करते समय this c may be having any value. It can be 0, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, c, any value. See, when we are integrating, answer is x square. If answer is x square means c is 0. In this numerical, c will be 0. Otherwise 2x will never give you x square. If 2x giving you x square, if integration of 2x is x square, means c यहाँ 0 है. Similarly यहाँ देखें, integration of 2x gives x square plus 5. That means here c must be 5. Otherwise you will not be able to find this proper answer. मैं आपको यहां बता रहा हूं, इंटीग्रेशन करते समय हमें ये c निकालना होता है. कभी यहां c 0 आया है, कैसे आएगा वो मैं न्यूमेरिकल्स में बताऊंगा, पर इस समय सीख रहे हैं why we apply c. Because the c can be anything. It can be 0, it can be 5, it can be c. So first of all we will have to write c in indefinite integration, because differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x square plus 5 is 2x, differentiation of x square plus c is 2x. So while integrating 2x, we must be having this answer. In this numerical, while integrating 2x, we must be having this answer, and c should be 5. So how we will find? I will be telling you in the numericals of integration in physics.